Good morning and welcome to this 2-minute demo of the direct integration between SpendMap and QuickBooks Online. We chose to use the online version of QuickBooks for this video since it's the most popular accounting system for small and mid-sized businesses, but SpendMap integrates with other popular accounting systems as well, including the desktop version of QuickBooks. So today we're going to take a look at the accounts payable interface, which is the most common touch point between SpendMap and QuickBooks, or any accounting system for that matter. We're going to approve a supplier's invoice for payment in SpendMap and then send it over to QuickBooks as a bill that needs to be paid. But this is just one of many possible touch points between SpendMap and accounting systems. We support other transactions as well, like credit card charges, expense reimbursements, and others, as well as master file integration to import things like suppliers and account codes and so on. Just as a quick reminder for those that are new to SpendMap, the system is modular and expandable, so you don't necessarily have to start off using all the pieces I'm about to review. That said, it is quite common for our customers to automate their complete rec-to-check or purchase-to-pay process using SpendMap, including the approval of supplier invoices. Usually what that looks like is a transition from their cumbersome post-purchase invoice approval process to a more proactive pre-purchase requisition approval process. That way, when the supplier's invoice shows up and needs to be approved, all you need to do is verify that the invoice aligns with what was already purchased and received. If you're not familiar with this three-way matching process for approving supplier invoices for payment, please take a few minutes to review our system overview video, which helps lay the groundwork for what you're about to see in this video. I'll put a link to that video here on screen and also in the description of this video for your convenience. So here's a purchase order that's already been through the online approval process. If the supplier sends us an invoice that matches the PO, the price is the same, and the items have already been received, no additional approval is needed, and it's safe to pay the invoice. I'll click to drill into this PO, and as you can see, we have a couple of outstanding receipts or packing slips for the order, so we should be expecting an invoice from the supplier. I'll enter the supplier's invoice number and invoice date, and check this box to match the invoice to this receipt and accept all of the information that defaults from the PO, like the price and the account coding and so on. So before I run the integration, let's quickly switch over to QuickBooks so I can show you that there are currently no pending bills waiting to be paid. And now for the moment you've been waiting for, I'll click this link to pass all of the approved invoices over to QuickBooks for payment. Most of our customers do this once a day, but you can run the integration as often as you like. And here's the bill that was created by SpendMap with all of the details already completed, including the description and pricing and account coding and so on. And down here you can see the approved purchase order number that backs up this payment. At this point, you can cut a check to pay the supplier for this bill or pay by credit card, just like any other bill in QuickBooks.